Hello sweeties, and welcome to Lola Poppy's channel. If you're interested in learning how to work in fondant, more specifically modeling figures, human figures, this is the right place for you. In this part 2 video, we're showing how to model the head of a toddler cake topper in very simple steps. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and like. And without further ado, let's go to the video. Okay, so we're starting to make the holes for the eyes on this sugar paste ball. These holes is where we're going to put the white sugar paste. Just giving it a bit of form to the head. Until it looks okay. Trying to make the mouth now. I use the top of a pen to make the mouth. Now rolling the white part of the eyes, the other eye. Now the blue eyes, I made two very small little balls and I'm smashing them in order to glue them to the eyeballs, trying to place them in the right place. Okay, now I'm going to make the eyelashes in black sugar paste, cutting them. They have to be really thin, otherwise it looks sloppy. In order for the head not to stick onto the floor, I'm using a bit of parchment paper. Okay, so now I'm trying to make the lashes at the end of the eye. I cut with the point of the scalpel. Same thing on the other side. Cutting it to size. Whoops. Yeah, it's sticking now. Okay, so you see, I've made a tiny fold on the lashes. Now I'm putting a little bit of white in the blue part of the eye. It gives a little bit of a more finished look to the eye. Okay, now I'm going to stick the head onto a toothpick to start making the eyebrows. I'm making the eyebrows in brown. They're usually not as dark as the eyelashes, so I always tend to use a bit of lighter color for the eyebrows. Now the way you position the eyebrows on the head it makes all the difference. So I try to make it a bit angled with the part nearer to the nose on top of the other part, as you can see. So it's higher on the bridge of the nose. And here I'm starting to put the hair on the toddler. It was a request for a blonde toddler. I had previously done this toddler in brown, in brunette. If you like, you can go and see at our Etsy shop. Yeah, so here I'm fast forwarding. I'm fast forwarding because it takes a lot of time to make the hair. You really have to be patient with this type of work, which is the fun part after all. When you're doing this, you're thinking about nothing else. Yeah. Okay, here you can see the final result with the hair is starting to look cute. Now I'm doing the two hair ponytails. When the sugar paste is quite soft, it's easy to stick it without any water, which is nice. Which is what happened here. Okay, so now I'm doing the ribbon, the pink ribbon, to hold the ponytails in place. I watered it a bit to hold the heaviness of the hair. And now for the final part, we're putting a toothpick to hold the head, sticking it into place. Yeah, it's it holding. And now the final touch we see, which is putting a little bit of blush, pink blush, onto the cheeks, and believe me, it makes all the difference. It makes the work much cuter. Okay, we're barely there. If you liked the video, don't forget to follow and give us a thumbs up. Next week we're gonna show you how to make a cute lion cake topper. So if you're interested, just follow us. Bye bye.